Okay, I wanted to take a second and show you guys this here, how I modified it. This here spring was on here between here and here. Oops, sorry. Between these 2 points. And I was pulling it. And that is the kill switch. So what I ended up doing, because the cable that is hooked right here is completely frozen, and until I can get a new cable in, I wouldn't have been able to run my mower. Well, my grass was 3 feet tall. It needed to be done. So therefore, what I did was took a shoestring, tied it to here. So what happens is I can pull the shoestring, it will run. I push on this with my foot or whatever I got to do to make it stop. Preferably something insulated so that you don't shock yourself.